Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Golden Hill towards Cavaliers, St. Andrew Parish. We are driving on the Stony Hill to Parks Road, also the Above Rocks main road. Entering Cavaliers. Straight ahead on the hill is St. Christopher's Anglican Church, Cavaliers. On the right is Fingerpost Bus Stop, and on the left is Fingerpost Road sign, which indicates Burnshop Road is to the right, and Burnshop Road will take you to Burnshop District, Mount Ogle, Lawrence Tavern, Border, Glengoffe, and other places, as well as to Cavaliers Primary School, formerly Cavaliers All-Age School, Rose Hill, Content, Crookers Hill, and other communities. Additionally, Cavaliers Primary School, formerly Cavaliers All-Age School, is located to the right, just above, behind the St. Christopher's Anglican Church. The Fingerpost Road sign also indicates this way to Parks Road and Above Rocks. On the left is Praise Sanctuary Church of God of Prophecy, Cavaliers. We are now at Red Ground District. On the right is Shortcut and on the left is Plum Street. Plum Street will take you to Cavaliers Church of God in Jamaica. Entering Charlestown. The sign on the left above the bus stop reads, "Welcome, you are entering Charlestown." Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.